I'm gonna try not to fall down. Ah! Ready to skate? Let's see. Here we go. Yay! Hey guys, Mabuhay, it's Maria and welcome to my Christmas diary here at Bryant Park Ice Rink. Welcome to New York. Welcome to New York. Ho, ho, the mistletoe. Hello, Bryant Park. These are the holiday markets here at Bryant Park, and then we're gonna do ice skating in a bit. There's an igloo here, baby. Welcome to Bryant Park Christmas tree. Look how crowded it is. They're just polishing the ice right now.
Who's ever been on Facebook?
So we're about to get inside the ice skating rink. It's Christmas. So that's the line. Santa Claus is coming to town. Look at that. Ready to skate? Let's see.
How much is shoe check? Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Actually just renting my ice skate, but my wifey got his own. So we're about to get inside. Here we go. Yay! I am the edger. They call it edger. That's the only thing I can do. Yay! We're just done. It was super fun. I fall down once. We're taking out the shoe now. It was tiring though. I have to return this. And we're officially done. Merry Christmas! It's time to eat. Have you tried apple cider Christmas drink? They're grabbing some apple cider drinks for holidays.
Here we go from that side.
Okay, thank you. So we're gonna get it outside. Christmas, the song coming out. Thank you. Merry Christmas. It's famous here at Bryant Park. The hot chocolates and the apple cider holiday drinks. It's warm. The ice skating, it's amazing. So if you wanted to try it out at Bryant Park, how much is the rental, babe, for
For
the
peak time, it was $50.
$50 for peak time? Yeah, for the skate rentals. You're owning a skate, it's for free. The entrance is for free. So grab the opportunity. It's amazing. But it's too crowded because it's Christmas.
I want to live life.
Get over.
Then you're just like, hello.
I think it looks handmade though. Yeah, it looks handmade. So cute. Lady Liberty with Santa.
So as you can see, we are passing to wide areas of dining and restaurants inside Eataly Flatiron. And all the way at the end, you will find the entrance to, they call the Serra by Birreria. It is a rooftop bar and restaurants inside this Italian market. It is actually located in the 14th floor. And as soon as you get inside, you will be amazed with this very romantic hanging leaves all over with beautiful lamps. By the way, Serra means in Italian is a greenhouse. And it was very, very beautiful. We got our reservation to have our Christmas Eve dinner into this romantic Italian restaurant, rooftop bar, Serra by Birreria, in the heart of Flatiron, NYC.
I'm gonna have this cranberry frizzante. So ended up our dinner with this panna cotta, and this is me, happy with the panna cotta. Heading out to the Eataly, we decided to have fettuccine. Ended up getting another desserts, which is the fruttino al lampone and tartina al limone, which is expensive, tiny tarts. $3. Check this one out. They have this. How do you say this one, baby? It's like motion sensor LED. And of course, I wouldn't miss the night not to try this. So after the beautiful dinner, went home waiting for the midnight strike for Christmas Day, and my loving partner made a warm mulled German wine, and here I am. I made a lovely charcuterie.